I need to show you how to solve the following equation from section 9.3, further solving linear equations. I do have fractions. And since we really don't like to work with fractions, we're going to go ahead and we're going to multiply each side by the LCM. And we notice that when we multiply -4 times 7 divided by 7, we get back -4. When we multiply 7 times 3 is 21. 21 divided by 7 is 3x. 7 times 5 is 35. Divided by 7 is 5. And now we don't have the fractions. What we need to do now is go ahead and solve it using the inverses that we've learned in class. So for example, we're going to solve for x again. And since we're adding 5, we're going to go ahead and subtract 5. That is the additive inverse. And we know that 5 minus 5 is 0. So we're left with 3x equals, and you notice that on the right side we have this integer which is -4, and we have this integer which is -5. So therefore we're going to have to add these two integers, and we get -9. Now, since we're multiplying 3 times x equals -9, the inverse for multiplication is division. And since we divided by 3 on the left side, we have to divide by 3 on the right side. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so therefore we have an x. And we notice that we have a -9 divided by a 3, +3, and the rules for division, integer division, is going to be -3. Now to check, we're going to go ahead and substitute 3 over 7, and we're going to substitute the value of -3 in for x, plus 5 over 7, and we're going to see if it comes out to -4 over 7. And you notice we have 3 times -3 is -9 over 7 plus 5 over 7, and that does equal -4 over 7.